Welcome to Buildawebs, and in today's video I'll be showing you the difference between categories and tags, and I'll also show you how you can add them into WordPress. Categories group blog posts together that are similar. So if you see, for example, here there's a category of islands. When you click on it, it'll show you all the blog posts that are associated to islands. Tags allow you to add extra detail by providing keywords that are associated to the blog post and help search engines find that blog post. Now let's see how you can create a category in WordPress. So the first way I'm going to show you is by going to the WordPress dashboard and then go to posts and then go to categories. In here, you can create a new category by going to name, and we're going to call it mountains. And then you can copy it and put it in the box below. Set them to like that in lowercase, so just put a M on. This is if, for example, you want to create a hierarchy. So say, for example, we've already got islands in, but let's say it was blog posts on islands, but you wanted a subcategory of, for example, the countries where there's different islands. You could do that. But just leave that blank, and then you can give it a description if you want. Then all you need to do is click Add New Category. And as you can see, it appears on the right-hand side. As I'd shown before, there's two blog posts, and it gives you a count of how many times islands is used, but that's how you create a category. Creating tags, again, go to your WordPress dashboard, and then hover over posts, and then go to tags. And let's create a tag of hiking. And then just click Add New Tag. As you can see, it appears there, and then there's a count of it. Now let's have a look how you can add categories and tags to posts. So if we go to the post page on the left hand side, and then we go into this post by clicking Edit, we can then open up categories on the left hand side by just clicking in it. And before we created mountains, so you can choose that and then click update. And then when you go into the post by clicking view post, you'll see that the category mountains is there. And then when you click on mountains, it shows all the different blog posts that are associated to that. Let's go back and back again. And if you want to add in the tag that we created before, you can just type in here, hiking, and it'll show what's already been created, and then it puts it in. If you want to create a new category within the post, just click on categories here, and then you can click on add new category, and say, for example, this blog post is to do with lakes. You do that, then all you do is click it, Add New Category, and then it ticks it. If you didn't want it to appear as a category on here, you can just untick it, just leave it ticked. And if you wanted to create a new tag within the post, you can do that by just typing it in here. Let's call it climbing, and then just press enter, and then there's a different tag. So the search engine should be able to see that this post is about hiking and climbing. You can add as many tags as you want to. So that's how you create categories and tags within WordPress and then attach them to the post. And that's how you create categories and tags within a post. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe for future videos. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.